بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
I seek refuge in Allah from Shaitan. In the name of Allah, the entirely merciful, the especially merciful.
وَلَقَدْ أَنزَلْنَا إِلَيْكَ آيَاتٍ بَيِّنَاتٍ وَمَا يَكْفُرُ بِهَا إِلَّا الْفَاسِقُونَ.
We have certainly revealed to you verses which are clear proofs, and no one would deny them except the definitely disobedient.
أَوَكُلَّمَا عَاهَدُوا عَهْدًا نَبَذَهُ فَرِيقٌ مِّنْهُمْ بَلْ أَكْثَرُهُمْ لَا يُؤْمِنُونَ.
Is it not true that every time they took a covenant, a party of them threw it away? But in fact, most of them do not believe.
وَلَمَّا جَاءَهُمْ رَسُولٌ مِّنْ عِندِ اللَّهِ مُصَدِّقٌ لِّمَا مَعَهُمْ نَبَذَ فَرِيقٌ مِّنَ الَّذِينَ أُوتُوا الْكِتَابَ كِتَابَ اللَّهِ وَرَاءَ ظُهُورِهِمْ كَأَنَّهُمْ لَا يَعْلَمُونَ.
And when a messenger from Allah came to them, confirming that which was with them, a party of those who had been given the sacrificial threw the sacrificial of Allah behind their backs, as if they did not know what it continued.
واتبعوا ما تتلو الشياطين على ملك سليمان وما كفر سليمان ولكن الشياطين كفروا يعلمون الناس السحر وما أنزل على الملكين ببابل هاروت وماروت وما يعلمون أحد حتى يقولا إنما نحن فتنة فلا تكفر فيتعلمون منهما ما يفرقون به بين المرء وزوجه وما هم بضارين به من أحد إلا بإذن الله ويتعلمون ما يضرهم ولا ينفعهم ولقد علموا لمن اشتراه ما له في الآخرة من خلاق ولبئس ما شروا به أنفسهم لو كانوا يعلمون.
And they followed instead what the devils and recited during the region of Solomon. It was Solomon who disbelieved, but the devils disbelieved, teaching people magic and that which was revealed to the two angels at Baal, Harut and Marut. But the two angels do not teach anyone unless they say, "We are a trial, so do not disbelieve by practicing magic." And yet they learn from them that by which they cause separation between a man and his wife, but they do not harm anyone through it except by permission of Allah. And the people learn what haram them and it does not benefit them. But the children of Israel certainly knew that whoever purchased the magic would not have in the hereafter any share, and wished in that for which they sold themselves it they only knew.
ولو أنهم آمنوا واتقوا لمثوبة من عند الله خير لو كانوا يعلمون.
if they had believed and feared Allah, then the reward from Allah would have been far better if they only knew.
يا أيها الذين آمنوا لا تقولوا راعنا وقولوا انظرنا واسمعوا وللكافرين عذاب أليم.
O you who have believed, say not to Allah's messenger, Rana, but say, Unthurma, and listen, and for the disbelievers is a painful punishment.
ما يود الذين كفروا من أهل الكتاب ولا المشركين أن ينزل عليكم من خير من ربكم والله يختص برحمته من يشاء والله ذو الفضل العظيم.
Neither those who disbelieve from the people of the secular Persia, nor the politics which that any good should be sent down to you from your Lord. But Allah selects for His mercy whom He wills. Allah is the possessor for great bounty.
صدق الله العظيم.